UiPath tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use UiPath, the leading platform for automation and artificial intelligence. UiPath is a powerful and easy to use platform that allows you to automate any process or task with the help of robots. You can use UiPath to create apps that can perform various actions, such as data extraction, web scraping, document processing, and email automation, and more. In this video, you will learn how to create an account and explore the different features and functionalities of the platform. You will also learn how to create an app in UiPath Studio, a tool that lets you design and build your app using drag-and-drop components. We have a lot to cover in this video, so let's get started with the tutorial. To begin using UiPath, the first step is to create an account. The sign-up process might seem a bit difficult at first, but don't worry, we have you covered. You will find the link down below in the description, so go to the description of this video and click on the first link you find there. This will take you to the correct home page. Once you're on the home page, press the button that says Try UiPath Free. This will take you to a page where you can sign up. On that sign up page, you have different ways to make your new account. You can use your email, your Google account, or your Microsoft account to sign up for a new account. Pick the one that suits your preferences. Once you've signed up, you'll be taken to a page where you need to provide more information about yourself and your organization. Just follow the instructions on the screen and enter the information they request. Once you have provided the necessary information, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. This is like your home base for using UiPath. From here, you can start exploring and using all the tools and features that UiPath has to offer. The dashboard is like the control center for everything you can do in UiPath. It's designed to be easy to use and easy to find your way around. When you access the dashboard, you'll see a menu on the left side. This menu is important because it has different tabs and each serves a specific function. The first tab is called the Home tab. Here you can gain access to a comprehensive overview of your orchestrator services, providing a snapshot of the orchestration landscape. Additionally, you can explore a collection of popular templates, facilitating quicker and more efficient automation development. The Home tab also highlights trending tools and integrations available in the marketplace, ensuring you stay up to date with the latest technological advancements. Furthermore, you can conveniently review license allocations, including your robots and services. The Orchestrator tab offers seamless access to essential features such as tenant, My Folders, and My Workspaces. Orchestrator enables you to manage, monitor, and control UiPath robots, processes, queues, and assets. It is the central element of the platform that allows you to orchestrate your automation across multiple devices and environments. Within the Studio tab, you can overview automations within the platform. It's a space where you can gain insights into the processes that drive your workflows. To enhance your experience, UiPath has introduced a feature that tailors automation recommendations based on your specific department. This intelligent system suggests automations that align with the nature of your work. Whether you're part of a creative production, customer service, engineering, finance, HR and legal, IT and support, manufacturing, marketing, operations, or any other department, this personalized approach ensures that you're presented with the most relevant automations. The Apps tab enables you to create new applications from scratch. Alternatively, you can explore the Run section to discover different apps available for launch. To guide you through the app building journey, tutorials are conveniently accessible on the right sidebar within this tab. These tutorials empower you with the knowledge needed to create dynamic and effective applications tailored to your requirements. The Integration tab allows you to access the App Marketplace. This marketplace serves as a hub where you can discover various integrations such as Act, Adobe, Amazon, Asana, Bamboo HR, Box, and more. These integrations enable you to seamlessly incorporate external tools into your workflows. Furthermore, in the Connections segment within the Integrations page, you can also overview the integrations you have linked to your UiPath account. Moving on to the Admin tab, this is your control center for managing various aspects of the UiPath environment. Here, you can manage different settings that help define how UiPath works for you. This includes managing accounts and groups, handling licenses that allow you to use UiPath, ensuring the security of your operations, keeping track of activities through audit logs, integrating with external applications, and configuring general settings to tailor UiPath to your specific needs. In the More section, you can access additional options that extend the capabilities of UiPath even further. This is your portal to explore a range of functionalities beyond the basics. You can take specific actions to control how automation processes unfold, manage and optimize automation operations, enhance your ability to understand and work with various documents, delve deeper into the app marketplace, and efficiently manage and streamline your business processes. Now, let's see how to create a new app in UiPath. Creating a new app in UiPath is a simple and easy process that can be done in a few simple steps. To create a new app in UiPath, first, navigate to the left menu and click on the Apps tab. This will take you to the page where you can see the existing apps you have created or access the ones shared with you. Next, click on the Create New App button on the right corner. This will open the right sidebar where you can enter the details of your app. You need to provide a name for your app in the Name field. You can also make your app public by ticking the box next to Public App. This will allow other users to view and use your app. Once you are done, click on the Create button to proceed. Then, you will be taken to the App Studio where you can design and build your app. Before you access the studio, a pop-up window will appear where you have two options to choose from. You can either start with a blank page or use a template. A blank page gives you more flexibility and control over your app, while a template provides you with a pre-built layout and components that you can customize. If you want to create your app from scratch, then click on the blank page. Alternatively, if you want to use a template, then choose from the given templates. For this tutorial, we will use a template called Dashboard. This template is suitable for creating apps that display data and charts in a dashboard format. To select this template, click on the Select button under it. This will load the template in the studio and show you a preview of how your app will look like. Once the template is loaded, you can start customizing it. Customizing the template is very easy. Simply select the content you want to change in the template, such as a logo, image, text, numbers, sidebar, and more. This will open the right sidebar for the selected content. The right sidebar gives you the option to customize the content according to your liking. Use the options in the right sidebar to modify the content as you wish. For example, if you want to change the name of the template, simply navigate to the name and click on it. You will see the right sidebar will open for it. The right sidebar gives you the option to change the name of the template and its style, background color, font, margin, and size. In the right sidebar, select the text under the Text field and replace it with the name you want to give the app you are creating. Once you do this, the changes will be reflected in the main canvas of the app. Repeat this process for any other content that you want to change in the template, such as text, images, numbers, icons, photos, and more. Additionally, you can add more features to your app by using the top menu. You can click on the drop-down menu next to the Add Control button and choose from Pages, Control, Process, Storage Bucket, Entity, and Queues. These features will help you create a more functional and interactive app. Moreover, if you click the Add Control button, this will open the left menu where you can see the different types of controls that you can add to your app. You can choose from Input, Display, Containers, and Icons. Input controls allow you to add elements that let the user interact with your apps, such as buttons, checkboxes, date pickers, drop-down menus, file pickers, and more. Display controls allow you to add elements that show information or content in your app, such as custom lists, dividers, document viewers, headers, iframes, images, and more. Containers controls allow you to add elements that organize or group other elements in your app, such as container layouts and page containers. Icons controls allow you to add elements that represent symbols or concepts in your app. There are hundreds of icons available in different styles and colors. Once you have customized your app according to your preferences, you can preview and publish your app. Click on the Preview option on the top menu. This will open a new window where you can see how your app will look on different devices and browsers. If you are happy with what you see in the preview, you can publish your app. To publish your app, click on the Publish button next to the Preview option on the top menu. This will open up a pop-up window where you can add a description for your app if you want. This is optional, but it can help others understand what your app is about. Then, click on the Publish button again in the pop-up window. This will publish your app and make it live on the internet. It will take a while, and you will see a confirmation message when your app is published. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to using UiPath. If you want to try it out for yourself, you can sign up using the first link in the description. I would really appreciate that, thank you. I hope you found it useful and learned something new. So again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. Thanks for watching.